Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all fine. Yes, and today we are going to study word problems based on linear equations. That means we will see some more questions based on linear equations, and this is the second part of this word problem, and it is here second video for this week, students. Okay, so now let's start. See the question here, 2/3 of a number is greater than 1/3 of the number by 3. Then find the number. 2/3 of the number is greater than 1/3. Obviously the 2/3 is greater than 1/3, but by how much? It is greater by 3. Then we can have this, that let the number be x. Then we have what? 2 by 3x is equals to 1 by 3x plus 3. That means because it is greater than 1 by 3 by 3. So if we will add 3, then that will be equal to 2 by third of the x, 2 by third of x, because it is 2 by third is greater than 1 by third by 3. So if we are adding here 3, then now 2 by third x is equals to this 1 by third x plus 3. Okay, then that means when we will add the 3, then they will be equal. When we will add 3 to 1 by 3 of the number, then that will be equal to 2 by third of the number, as according to the question. Now here we will add that with this 1 by 3x you take on the left side. We don't have to add this, you will take on the left side here. Okay, then it will be subtracted. So 2 by 3x minus 1 by 3x equals to 3 according to the question. Now this equation we are going to solve. The denominator is 3, so the numerators will be as whatever it is written, the same you will write. So 2x minus 1x. Okay, because x is at the middle, that means we can transfer it to the upside numerator also. Okay, because it is 2 by 3x means 2 into x is 2x, and 1 by 3x, so that means this 1 into x is 1x here. So means what? 2x minus 1x by 3 is equals to 3. Then 2x minus x, because base denominator is same, so directly we can find the difference of their numerators. That only I have done. In fraction subtraction we have seen that. So x by 3 equals to 3. Now cross multiply this, 3 into 3 is 9. That means x equals to 9 here. So this will be the value, that x equals to 3 into 3, that means 9. Okay, so we can see that 2 by third of 9 is what? 2 by third of 9 is 2 by third of 9. We can find it will come 3 into 1 time and 3 into 3 time. So this means 2 into 3 is 6. Okay, and you are knowing that 1 by third will give you the value 3. Okay, then what is the difference between them? 6 and 3, difference is 3 only. 2 by third is 6 and 1 by third will come 3, because 1 by 3 of 9 is, you will get 3 into 3 time 9. You will cut that, it will come 3. So difference between this 6 and 3 is, this difference between them is 3 only. 6 minus 3 is 3. So this way we can check the solution also, that really 2 by third of the number is 6 and 1 by third is 3, and the difference between them is 3. Okay, now hence we can see that the required solution is 9. Okay students, now you will solve the exercise questions. Okay, see one question here, find two consecutive natural numbers whose sum is 63. So here two consecutive natural numbers are here, okay, whose sum is 63. Then we can show that let the two consecutive natural numbers are x and x plus 1, okay, and according to the question their sum is 63. Then we can write that x plus 1, these two numbers sum is 63. Solve this equation now. You can easily solve that. 2x plus 1 equals to 63. This will come only. Okay. Now 1 you take on the right side here. That means 2x equals to 63 minus 1. This you will get. And 63 minus 1 is 62. That means 2x equals to 62. Then we have x equals to 62 by 2 because 2 is here multiplying. So it will divide here. Clearly, x equals to 62 by 2. That means 31. So this is the solution, that x equals to 31 is the first number out of the two numbers. Therefore, the second consecutive natural number is x plus 1, because x is the first number as per the question. Then x plus 1 is the second number, that means 31 plus 1 is 32. These two numbers sum is only 63. Two consecutive natural number, 31 plus 32, that will give the result 63. Okay, so this is the answer. The required numbers are 31 and 32. You can write that. They are the two consecutive natural numbers whose sum is 63. Okay, yes, that I have written here. The required natural numbers are 31 and 32. Then next question is find three consecutive positive even integers. Positive even integers, that means even natural numbers, because they are positive. So we can say even natural numbers or even positive integer whose sum is 90. And this time they are three numbers and they are even also. So there is a gap of one number. That means the next number will come after adding 2. Just like after 4, the 6 is coming. That is 6 is 4 plus 2. And after 6, the next even number is 8. And 8 you will get by 6 plus 2 only. So after adding 2, we are getting the next even number. For getting the next even number, you are adding 2. So same rule we will use here, that let the three consecutive positive integers are x, x plus 2 and x plus 4. Okay, because after adding 2 you are getting the next even number. So after the second number x plus 2 plus 2 means x plus 4 is the third even positive integers, and their sum is 90 according to question. So we can write that x plus 2 plus x plus 4, these three numbers sum is 90. Now we will solve this equation. Easily we can solve that is equation, that x plus x 3 times comes x. Then this means what? 3x plus 6 equals to 2 plus 4 is 6 here. So 3x plus 6 equals to 90. That means 3x equals to 90 minus 6. This 6 you will take on right side, this side you will take. Okay. So that means it is 3x equal to 90 minus 6. So 90 minus 6 is 84. That means 3x is equals to 84. Now this 3 we will take on right side and we will divide the 84 by 3 to find the value of x. Okay, because it is the equation rule, whatever it is multiplying, that will divide on the other side. So x equals to 84 by 3 means 28. 3 into 2 6, 2 and 4 remaining, and 3 into 8 24. So that means x equals to 28. This is the first number out of the three numbers, out of the three even numbers. So the second number is x plus 2, that means 28 plus 2 is 30. First number is x, second number is x plus 2, and third number is x plus 4, as we have assumed here in the question. So x plus 2 is 28 plus 2 is 30. Okay. Now the third number is x plus 4. X plus 4 means 28 plus 4 is 32. So these are the required numbers, which are 28, 30 and 32. These three are three consecutive positive integers whose sum you are getting 90. So if you can see, hence the required numbers are 28, 30 and 92. 28, 30 and 32, sorry. The required even numbers are, consecutive even numbers are 28, 30 and 32, and when you will add these numbers you will get the sum 90. So thank you all of you. So this way you can solve some more questions such as question number 11 to 19 you can solve easily based on this. So thank you all of you, and watch these videos for understanding, better understanding that all. Thank you.